Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into something absolutely mind-blowing. Boston Dynamics just dropped a bombshell with their brand new electric Atlas robot, and trust me, this isn't just another cool tech demo. This is the real deal, and I'm going to tell you why it's such a big deal for the future of robotics. So, remember all those viral videos of Atlas doing parkour and backflips? Well, Boston Dynamics just retired that hydraulic show-off and replaced it with something way more practical. A fully electric Atlas that's built for actual work. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't just for fancy YouTube videos anymore. Let me geek out about the specs for a second, because they're pretty impressive. We're looking at a 1.5 meter tall robot, that's about 5 feet for my American friends, that weighs in at 89 kilos, or about 196 pounds. But here's what's really cool. They've completely redesigned it using a mix of titanium and 3D printed aluminum parts to give it this incredible strength-to-weight ratio that lets it move in ways that'll make your jaw drop. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what's the big deal about it being electric? Well, let me tell you. Switching from hydraulics to electric power is huge. Think about it like either going from a gas-guzzling muscle car to a Tesla. It's not just more efficient, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities for where and how this robot can work. But here's where things get really interesting. Boston Dynamics isn't just showing off anymore. They're partnering with Hyundai to put these robots to work in actual factories. And they're not just throwing robots into workplaces and hoping for the best. They've learned a ton from deploying over 1,500 of their Spot robots, you know, those robot dogs, in the real world. And they're bringing all that experience to Atlas. Let's talk about what makes this version special. This Atlas is stronger than its predecessors and has an even broader range of motion. But it's not trying to move like a human. Nope, they're designing it to move in whatever way gets the job done most efficiently. Think about it like having a superpowered helper that can reach places humans can't, lift things we shouldn't, and work in conditions that might be dangerous for us. And it's not just about the hardware. Boston Dynamics has been cooking up some serious software upgrades too. We're talking AI and machine learning that helps Atlas understand and adapt to complex situations. They've even launched something called Orbit software that lets you manage an entire fleet of robots. Yeah, a fleet. Let that sink in for a minute. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Are these robots going to take our jobs? But that's not what this is about. Boston Dynamics is focused on having Atlas handle the dull, dirty, and dangerous tasks that we shouldn't have to do. It's not about replacing workers, it's about giving them better tools to work with. The really exciting part, this is just the beginning. Boston Dynamics has already proven they can take wild robot concepts and turn them into practical tools with both Spot and Stretch, their warehouse robot. Now they're bringing that same approach to Atlas. They're not rushing it either. They're starting small, working with select partners to figure out exactly how to make Atlas most useful in the real world. What do you all think about this? Are you excited to see humanoid robots finally moving from sci-fi into reality? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what kind of tasks you think Atlas should tackle first. And hey, if you want to stay up to date with the latest in robotics and tech, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for geeking out with me about the future of robotics. Catch you in the next video.